Matt, just look at the camera please and just tell me if that's the numbers are going round. Thank you. Right, so when Matt then gets up, and then he can get behind you. You can go a lot lower, you know what I mean? You don't have to be higher. But then just do line of sight and just keep it in the green, do you know what I mean? And then if he gets behind you, then I'll launch and get behind you, then all three of us flying in formation, one behind each other, like the Spitfires. You're still doing that flick, you?
Hello.
Oh, okay. I thought that was one then. I thought so. So, call it how high you actually are, yes. That seagull there's going, what? Right, John, so are you in the lead now?
Yeah.
And then Matt, if you will, follow you up.
What are you? What am I? More to the point.
Right, where's you, John? Where are you?
Over them trees over there, going round the outer rim of the park.
Well, don't go too far away.
I'm trying not to.
I'm here.
Right, Matt, you try to get behind him.
What is it?
Over there. Come on this side of the park. Come on this side of the park. Come on this side of the park. Because we're going to be doing line of sight mainly, aren't we?
Well, I'm here. I'm just right above you.
I'm coming back this way then.
Right, because then Matt can get behind you. I'm at 51 metres. What high are you all at, lads?
48.
53.
So if you go down to about 50, Matt, then we get this formation in line then.
50.
And rather than look on your screen when you get in formation, just watch them line of sight and then say, I'm going to go back to the left, I'm going to go back to the right.
I don't even know where I am.
There's one over there.
That's you, Matt, over there, that one over there.
I'm coming in. I'm here. Right, coming in now.
I'm here.
Stay there.
I'm just cruising. I'm heading straight to that school from in there.
Right, Matt, go on, lad. I'm coming up behind you, boys. So what height are you at?
50.
Yeah, 50.
So you catch him up, Matt. So you just throttle up if you need to.
I'm going to have to turn because I'm coming over to the fucking edge of the park.
Yeah, but if you go that line of sight eventually.
I'm turning to the right though. You can tell me you can see me, man.
So slow down so you're in formation behind each other. And then we can get some formation flying. So if you're catching up, just slow down a bit, yeah?
Now, man, you're right. I'm following that tree line with that one. Can you see all?
Then?
Oh, you're there, mate.
I fucking lost it. I'm coming back in this way. There's not too many birds in the sky. Right, I'm coming back towards us. Come on, someone follow me.
How high are you, John?
54.
You're too high. I'm 41.
You said 50.
I know, but mine dropped on its own. I shit myself.
I'm at 51.
I'm at 41.
I'm coming right in behind that one there. Whoa. Who's that?
Right, stay in formation. Just behind each other like that. Like that.
I'm the one at the front. When we get to edge at park, I'm going to bank to right and then follow trees round. If you understand that.
What height are you at?
50.
54 me, so I'm slightly higher.
Down and on. Hang on. How the fuck have I got up to 60?
I'm going to bank to the right.
I've ended up in front.
I'll just stay in front then, John will follow you.
I'm over the path.
What height are you at, Matt, now?
I'm near the fucking road. You're higher than me now, John.
I'm 49, he's saying. I'm just following the trees right around the edge of this field.
None of us are in formation.
I'm behind everybody. So I'm just pulling back on the throttle now, slow down.
Back in towards
So,
now.
yeah, okay, I'm behind you then, Max. See me there.
I'll slow right down.
What's your height, mate?
53.
Yeah, I'm at 53. You were the one at the front,
Yeah. I'm just gliding now, just pulling back on the throttle.
You're now speeding up.
I'm trying to catch that. I'm in the middle. How are you now?
Yeah, 53.
I'm at 51.
I'm going to bank over to the right now. Oops.
Who's that just crossed?
What?
Who's that crossing over?
Me?
Are you going behind him again, John?
Right, I'm in front again, so
Right, I've paid up, Matty.
Who's that? What meters are you at? Height?
same.
Alright, just checking, because when you change into wind, it changes your altitude.
What are you?
54, so slightly higher.
2. It's gotta be John that. It's gotta be John that. Fucking John as well.
Oh, we're in formation, boys, that's what we're looking for. Yes, look at that. Spitfires, Battle of Britain.
How are you at that?
Yeah, 53.
Yeah, I am sure.
Banked over now. Speed up and catch me. Should be able to see me. Right, slow down there.
Matt, you're in control of the formation.
58. Come on.
58?
No, 52.
That's when you turn, the wind blows you, picks you up. So I keep asking. 54. Who's that coming at the side of me there?
Right, well, we're in now together.
Got you on the camera here, man.
Yeah. Look at them all together there, they're literally bunched up.
What's your height, lads?
52.
I'm not looking at my zone, I'm looking at where you are. I need to call you.
You lost me now.
No, I still see you.
Can you?
Yeah.
56 metres.
53. He's following me in.
Are you banking now?
I'm gonna bank now.
Which way?
Pushing to the right. And ready.
I'm gonna get way down, look.
I know, I can tell. Look at him. He's coming in front of you. That's George.
Was that me, that? Oh, look at the screen. Sorry, mate. I'll slow down. I'll slow it down. Can you see me, Johnny? Can you see me, John?
Still see Matt, I'm following Matt, mate.
So you're following me?
What are you now?
Oh, God, in front of you. Are you behind now, John?
I'm at middle.
Following something.
I'm at middle.
I'm banking to the right now.
What height are you, Matt?
Yeah, same.
I've lost you. Oh, you bastard.
Do it line of sight. Banking to the right, are you?
I've got both of you now.
Have you?
Yeah, I'm behind you all.
I know. You're just above us. You're higher than us.
I know it's good footage, that's why.
That's what I'm saying, it's always best. John, you going to take me? See, the wind picked me up then, Matt. I was the same height, and then it just... Is that where we're going?
No, we're back in.
Oh, I'm fucking here now, me up.
Matt, I'm with you. I'm your wingman. You want me to get in front of you?
Yeah, okay.
What height are you at, lad?
50.
I'm going to come below you so you'll be able to see me at camera. You got me?
No.
How about now, lad?
Yeah.
I'm just cruising, lads. I'm just cruising.
Push up a bit. That's it.
Back it to the right.
Yeah, I can see you. Got you.
Good lad. I'm going to go and find John. John's
I've lost you now because it's correct or not. I've got you.
speeding up to catch John up.
I've lost you.
John, what height are you at, John? What height are you at?
55.
Oh, no wonder I've lost you.
Turning back to come back this way.
And I is.
Coming this way now.
Should be someone's side. Or should be both sides.
Read your heights out, boys.
56.
95.
Fuck yeah.
40.
Oh, wind altitude change there. Are you turning, John, or what? Oh, you're behind me now, John.
What height are you?
58.
It's 48 here. 48, me.
Try to get to about 50. I can see someone flying right in front of me.
I'm at 50, 60. I'm going left, whoever's following me. I'm going left. Throttling up, throttled up, boys. I've throttled up towards the boating lake. Have you got me, boys? I'm going left now. Banking to the left. Who's the fucking vulture circling? Oh, is it? Shit, my power's down to 36. What's your power's down to, boys? Yeah? What's that? I'm going to have to bring her in 5 minutes, boys, to land her, because that battery's just goosed.
You're quite high though.
45.
Oh. Where are you? John?
I'm here.
That one?
Yeah.
Like John? Kamikaze pilot, him, isn't he?
Yeah.
Ah, my arm. It's gone bad.
I've just passed somebody.
Only me. Somebody's left over the boat.
Yeah, come, I'm coming in now because I'm at 24. I've had to change.
Fucking gap.
Don't be trying to kill me, I'm walking on the runway. Flyandbeers. Who's this? Come on, come on. Camera's on. Come on, come on. That's Johnny, obviously. Come on. Chicken. Have you not altered your height? Yeah. Woo! Bit of a wind there. That would be a good clip, that. Holding that up, Matt. And then you coming above it, that fast. I was holding it like that, so the camera view, and then you just flew above me dead fast. They'll probably be able to tell because my hand's holding it that we're actually flying. Good luck, John.